Hello everyone, in this video we will see the brachial plexus in dissection. So this is the opened axilla and I have exposed the brachial plexus. For that we have to first recognize the M over here. So this is the capital M formation. Then we have to identify what are the structures which are forming this schematic M. So this is the musculocutaneous nerve. This musculocutaneous nerve is entering into the coracobrachialis muscle to supply it and the biceps brachii. Then we have this lateral root of median nerve and this is the medial root of median nerve. Together they will form the median nerve. Then we will have, this is the ulnar nerve which is giving its supply in the forearm. So this is the capital M. Now we have to recognize the cords and their branches of the brachial plexus. So first we have, this is the lateral cord. Lateral cord contains the anterior division of the upper trunk and the middle trunk. The branches of lateral cord, these are, this is the musculocutaneous nerve, this is the lateral root of median nerve and the lateral pectoral nerve which is supplying to the pectoralis major muscle. So this is the pectoralis major. As we have reflected, we got the lateral pectoral nerve. This is the lateral pectoral nerve. Now I have hold the medial cord. This medial cord has branches. This is the medial root of median nerve which is forming your median nerve. Then we have the medial cutaneous nerve of forearm, then medial cutaneous nerve of arm which is supplying to the medial aspect of the skin of the medial aspect of the arm. Then we have medial pectoral nerve. This is the pectoralis minor. It is supplied by the medial pectoral nerve. So here we got, this is the medial pectoral nerve which is supplying to the pectoralis minor. Then the last branch of medial cord is the ulnar nerve. This is the ulnar nerve. It is supplying to the muscles in the forearm. Then we come to the posterior cord. Posterior cord lies posteriorly to the axillary artery, that is the second part. So this is the posterior cord. The thickest branch of posterior cord is the radial nerve. So this is the radial nerve which is the thickest branch. It is entering into the spiral groove on the posterior aspect of the humerus bone. Next branch is the axillary nerve. This is the axillary nerve which is supplying to the deltoid. Then we have the upper subscapular and this is the lower subscapular nerve. These are the two subscapular nerves, upper and lower subscapular nerve. Then the last branch is the thoracodorsal nerve. Here we have this is the thoracodorsal nerve which is supplying to the latissimus dorsi. So these are the branches of the cords of brachial plexus. Now I have some branches from the roots of brachial plexus in this dissection. So first, this is the long thoracic nerve. This long thoracic nerve, it is supplying to the serratus anterior muscle. Now next is the dorsal scapular nerve. Dorsal scapular nerve, it is supplying to the rhomboids minor and the major. So here we can see this is the rhomboid minor and this muscle is rhomboid major. This is supplied by the dorsal scapular nerve. So here we can see this is the dorsal scapular nerve. It is entering into the rhomboid minor and major to supply them. So this is another branch from the roots of brachial plexus.